like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will post daily videos of new inventory coming in. Right now you're looking at a Kia Telluride S. This was previously a freshwater flood damage vehicle that we repaired. As you can see, no rust, no corrosion. Engine compartment is in like new condition. This was a very low level freshwater flood damage vehicle. Let's take a look at the body first. As you can see, the body's very clean. I think there's one little ding on the left rear door right here. Walk around again, other side. Got the nice black wheels. Fully loaded model. Has leather interior. Sunroof. Runs and drives perfect. There are no warning lights on. We went through this vehicle with a fine-tooth comb. As you can see, the interior is in perfect condition. 7-passenger. We pulled out this whole interior, the carpet, everything, dried everything out, cleaned everything. No corrosion, no rust, there's no smell. Our technicians here are highly trained. We've fixed thousands of flood vehicles over the years and know exactly what we're doing. You have captain folding chairs in the middle. Really nice. Everything works, runs and drives perfectly. We do offer financing on our ready-to-go vehicles. You have to have good credit. The bank gives excellent rates. It's not a fly-by-night bank. We've been dealing with them for years. Let's see. No warning lights. Really nice car. If you're interested, give us a call. All the details will be on the website too soon. Thanks for watching.